Good morning, good morning. Today is day 22 of our 40-day reset retreat with Jesus. Our topic today is your light shining? The scripture for today is Luke 11:29 through 36. And today Jesus challenges us to examine what we are allowing to influence our hearts. We can spend our lives searching for another sign, another confirmation, another answer, while overlooking the truth He has already placed before us. Jesus is calling us to see clearly, receive His truth, and let His light fill every part of our lives. As you read Luke 11:29 through 36 slowly, pay attention to Jesus' words about seeking signs, spiritual sight, and allowing light to fill your life. Listen. Ask Jesus, Lord, is there something you have already shown me that I keep asking you to confirm? Open my eyes so I can clearly see and obey your truth. Meditate, journal, and thank Him. Thank Jesus for being your light and for revealing truth through His word. Pray. And our reflection question for today is, what has Jesus already shown you that it is time to stop questioning and start obeying?